Yo, YouTuber, remember when I said that last beer review was going to be the last for a long time? I lied. No, I went to the shop, little. I'm just watching footy on the telly simultaneously while I'm recording this. I went to Lidl to pick up some Belgian beers actually, just to get them in because I knew they were there. I just can't fight it. You know what I mean? Just know them Belgian beers are in Lidl. You just can't leave them alone. And while I was there, I reviewed all of them Belgians. Like, so you can find it all on my channel, all them Belgian beers reviewed and that. Like. But I picked this up and I don't think I've reviewed it, and if I have, I'm a silly bugger. But I just picked this up thinking I haven't reviewed it. I'm gonna try it. And the reason I'm doing this review, I didn't want to drink tonight. I got drinks in, you know what I mean? I got some Belgians and something to review when I do drink. But it's nice and it's like really humid and warm. I'm really thirsty and I've got no spring water, and this is going to be fantastic to quench me thirst. It's from 71 Brewing and it's called Gear Shifter. And it's a single hop Citra IPA, 5%. So for the thumbnail, ooh, what have we got here? Will it show up on the label? 71 Brewing. I should have put my headphones on for this. I've got a headset and it's like really crystal clear, the microphone. It's better than this microphone. Forgot. Anyway, Gear Shifter. We're taking it up a gear with this single hop IPA Citra. Takes centre stage with big flavour notes of grapefruit, citrus, tropical mango and lychee all shining through. Contains barley, wheat, oats. And that's it. No frills. That's about as far as it goes. And I've got a removable label for the collection. Good thinking, 7-1 Brewing. Getting one of these labels on it so I can collect them and that. Good thinking, mate. Alright. I'm so desperately thirsty, you know what I mean? Really thirsty. And I think, come on, what a better way to kind of I got it from the little, they're still at Lidl's, they've got the beer festival on there. So, you know, you haven't got a little by where you live. Go to travel out of town to find one, you know what I mean? And get these. The Belgian beers are what you really must go for, guys. They're only there like twice a year. You put them on the shelf and they're like a little peak. And they're so good, the quality and for the money. You know what I mean? All the Belgian beers on the shelf, the strong ones. Oh, get it in, live it up. We could be dead. Meet you, but if the beer tomorrow, we'd all be squashed. Get this. Let's pour it. Oh, the alcoholics out there. What are you waiting for? Make drink awareness week. Alright. Imagine him, Masha, come on, lads. We're very sad to tell you guys that there's a meeting on the way to Earth. It's going to be a direct hit and it's going to be some serious fuck-ups. Like, oh, please, well, can we just get well, mate? I'm getting pissed as much as I can. Where are we going? Here's Roy Hodgson, man. Roy Hodgson still manager. Oh yeah, I thought the lads played really well today. Thought we could have scored about 5 goals or something in the game. Nevertheless, I'm happy with 3. Alright, let's carry on. That was me, Roy Hodgson impersonation. What do you reckon? Everyone vote in the comments below if you want to hear that impersonation again. Oh, that's just looking good in the glass, guys. I've got to say, the call looks great. It's supposed to be a single hop Citra IPA, right? Gear shifter! I might have tried this, I might have reviewed this, but it's been such a long time, I forgot. So I'll try it again. Lovely sort of cidery, dark amber colour. Oh, that's just cloudy. Quite cloudy, really. You can't really see through it. It looks like a scrumpy or something. A scrumpy cider from the place with scrumpy cider from Please ignore the shitty bearded style if you just want to say a beard. Alright, let's have a cum shot, mate. You ask for a cum shot, you get a cum shot. Let's see. That's got a lovely, the whole bluey fluffiness. Oh wow, the little camera thing then. I've got like a piece of cardboard in case to block the camera when I'm on porn. So we have a little thing to put. Oh man. Imagine it, man. You go live streaming, you get your wires across, you go, I'm going to do a live stream on Pornhub now, man. And you think you're doing Pornhub and you press YouTube and you see something on the screen and you go, well, you get your cats down like that way. Everyone's watching it on YouTube. And you think you're on Pornhub, mate. Ah, I don't know. That's just a joke, by the way. I don't really go on those things. Alright. Looks really cool. Head looks good. Smells tropical. Citrusy. Quite impressive. It's 71 Brewing. Where are they from? I've tried their beers. I might have tried this. I hope I haven't reviewed before. Dundee, Scottish. Scottish beer. 71 Brewing. Right. Let's go forward. Oh. Gear shifter from 71 Brewing. Single hop Citra IPA. 5%. All belly. Full body. Thirst quenching. Nice mouthfeel. Quite a bitter aftertaste. So grapefruity, edgy, grapefruity thing, but it just smooths off. Rounds off. Goes like a sort of oval shape. It's very warm as well in the alcohol sense. It's only 5%. But you can feel it. Like a warm fire. I get like a warm, fuzzy glow inside. Probably because I haven't had a drink for over a week. And I'm scared. that it might knock me right back into alcoholism again. Everything on now. I don't know when the results today. Let's see how they do today. Eh? They got in by the skin of the teeth last season, didn't they? And I was like, oh, come on, lads, you can't fuck it up. You've got to go for it. You don't want to end up in the air. You get on the beer with you, you fat dumpling. It's so drinkable. I want to just gulp it down really fast. And it's got nice. The water's nice. I always love, like, trying the different waters in beers. Let's give you your time. By the way, I always give a time and a date on my reviews, don't I? So you know exactly where we are. It's 16 minutes past 11 on the 12th of August 2023. And I'm reviewing Gear Shifter from 71 Brewing in Dundee, I believe, or is it Aberdeen? I don't care. It's in Scotland, who cares, eh? Stop crying about it. Right, so 17 minutes past 11 on the 12th of August 2023. For the record, I'm doing this beer review. I'll tell you what, like, it's dead smooth, there's hardly any flavour going on, but it's done in a nice balanced way. It's got a lovely look about it in the glass. It's just like the head still being retained there. I won't do a cum shot because it's boring, but you know what I'm coming from. It looks great in the glass. It does. It looks really good in the glass. And I feel like, I'm a lucky man, beer in my hand. That kind of thing. Like, I'm a lucky man. I got a beer in my hand. Sorry, folks, that was a funny joke. Alright, yeah, that looks fine in the glass. Let's have another hit. Dead easy to drink. Lovely, smooth, the hop. I mean, it's not too exaggerating with the flavours now, those like tropical flavours. There's no exaggeration on that. It's like a nice beer. It hasn't got too much alcohol in it. But the whole blend's dead nice. And it's lovely and warm. And it's just so easy to drink. It's just so nicely rounded off. Yeah, I like that. I think. I mean, if I haven't reviewed it already, like, I'll probably have, like, I don't know, but I'm definitely giving that a 10 because it's so, I don't know, it's like the single hop Citra. I mean, Citra's usually quite a bold tasting hop, but isn't in this? It's quite tame in that way. So it's a nice round 10 out of 10 for that one. I got it in the little beer festival. Get your asses to Lidl if you're an alcoholic like me, and you want to satisfy yourself, fill your boots as it were. And we got loads of Belgians there, like. Alright, I'm going to get off. Thanks for watching, and we'll upload this immediately. Thank you. Look, I haven't gulped it down. I'm not alcoholic sort of stages yet. I can't wait to have a Belgian after this now. Like, I just know it's there in the fridge. I'm just, ooh, let's put a Belgian in the fridge. Alright, thanks for watching. 10 out of 10, 71 Brewing. Very nice indeed. Very smooth, lovely, well done. You get a blue Peter badge. Lovely, smooth round the beer. Nice one. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you later.